breadcrumbs out. A little bit of rain come through a while ago, so I think it might be done at this point. Alright guys, I'm out here on the Wisconsin River. I'm going to try to get 5 walleyes real quick. Then I'm going to see if I can find 5 or 10 perch. Load up and go to work. I'm going to try this purple today. Liquid Willowcats. Don't forget to check him out, guys. I'm going to put some of this logger on here and we're going to go to work. I'm just casting. I'm in 16 feet of water. It's like 18 over there. The river flow is going this way. I'm just working right back up this current. Literally the first cast. I threw out a dead stick right there. Threw this out. Bam, first cast. First cast. First cast right there, guys. I am not kidding you. Literally the first cast. He thumped it too. $16 and a half. Nice. I've been here about 10 minutes and this I've caught 2 northern, a catfish, and this will make my second walleye, but he ain't gonna be very big, I don't think. Man, I might have just threw a keeper in here. Let's check him out. He'll be close. Oh, yeah, he is too. Like 15 and a quarter. Count it. That's 2. Right back in that same spot. I don't even think it even hit the bottom. And he took it. The last one I thought was going to be too small, but this one might. It is going to be. Well, this is going to be definitely too small, but hey, that's 2 fish back to back on that purple ringworm. A little bit of rain trying to come down here with us. He might. You know what? I think that was going to make it through. If this fish is 15. If this fish is 15 and a half, we're at number 3. Let's get a measurement. All day. Well, 15 and a quarter again. Perfect eating size walleye. 2 more, then we're going perch fishing. Something big just took this. Don't believe it's going to be a walleye, but I just caught that 15-incher and I threw right back out there, and then this guy, I almost thought I had a snag. So if it is a walleye, it's going to be a big one. But I don't believe this is going to be a walleye. I mean, he has got a lot of muscle. Man, he is not budging. This is a big fish. Look at that pole bent over. Be back in a minute. We're back. I'm still fighting this fish. It's been about 5 minutes. I think I might have wore him down a little bit. But he literally is not giving up. I'm only using 6-pound test, so I really don't want to horse it too bad. I got a lot of pressure on this guy, and he is not giving up. All right, we'll be back in a couple minutes. All right. Well, there's your 5-minute battle. I'm gonna get him unhooked. I literally only been here about an hour. I don't know if he's gonna be there. Then he comes across the top right there. If he makes it, yeah, I don't know if he's gonna make it or not. I keep saying they ain't gonna make it, but all they gotta do is be 15 inches. Clear. I bet you that one's gonna make 15 too. If this makes 15, I'll have 4. Loving that purple today. I'll be down over here and make 15 too. 15 and a half. Man, these are good eaters. All right. There's 4. I got this whole river to myself. Ain't no boats around. That's the way I like it. This could give me my number 5. Not positive, but we'll see here in a second. Oh, definitely. Definitely. Well, there's number 5. We're going perch fishing. That's got to be every bit of 16 inches. And that right there, to show up in there, if that right there, let me look at the time. I got here about 12:30, maybe 12:15. It's 1:38. So it took me, gosh, what, an hour and a half, and I had my limit of perch. Nice. Let's go perch fishing. I'll show you guys some of that. Maybe we'll have to make a part 2 to this video. There's number 5, guys. Well, there's my number 5. Don't forget to check out Liquid Willow Cats. I'll leave his link in the description. But we got our 5 in an hour and a half. So there you go. Now we're going to go perch fishing. Stay tuned. Alright, there's our limit of walleyes. Big find. Don't want to bottom out. Should have marked my trail coming out. Oh, there's a stinging blower right there. I got to turn.